Hey, chill out, guy. This guy, dude. What a crazy person.
I'm trying to get ahead of you there.
I see that.
Open that bitch up.
BC Racing, baby. Look, you get the cool stickers too and shit. Yeah.
I got holy shit, this guy.
This is a big investment, dude. Holy shit.
I guess so. Why not even knock the head?
Right? That's crazy. Alright. This is the coilover, the BC coilover. I got these on my 240 as well. Very good quality. I like them, so I'm going with them again. I believe this is the front strut. I'm pretty sure because the back one is longer. I can't be 100%. So, I mean, beautiful though. You got the adjusting knobs at the top. You can go stiffer or softer to make your ride feel like a Mercedes or like a 240. Overall, hella nice coils. I think they're worth the money, but we'll see how they feel in the car. This is the big boy, the rear, I believe. I might be wrong, we'll see when I install it. Has this like weird arm, I've never seen that before. But I guess it's just how the G suspension works. They look quality to me so far. I'll let you guys know how it goes, and we'll start installing them soon. But I might go get some tacos before then. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is a 240, an S13 toe arm, right? Pretty, pretty meaty, you'd think. Looks pretty good. These are the exact same brand, by the way, and Performance Series. And then you got a G. These are the same price as well. It's kind of hard to tell, but like, this is literally double the width. It's insane.
Why did you fix that?
I need to.
You're like a little fucking raccoon. That's funny, man.
That is funny.
Going to the circus.
I always drift. Yeah.
He's always a character.
I always drift with all my shit in the truck and the trunk. Beautiful. The coil's in. We got the toe arms in. I gotta go get food or something, dude. It's nice out, but the sun already went down, kinda. Still hella nice though. I never had this place before, but rice and beans. Used to be tacos, carne asada tacos. Not no more, but I'll let you know how it is. The steak kinda was ass. 6 out of 10. But the rice was fucking pretty good, but it could also be because it took me 30 minutes probably to get to the beach. So onto the coils we go. All right, we just got to the garage. I just did the fucking coolest slide ever into a I can't say kind of place. It doesn't matter, it was cool as fuck. Anyways, we got the coilovers in the back. Bow. We got the Dr. Pepper in the front. Bow. Important things, people, important things.
Tell me, is it clear that I still wanna be? I see you denying, but I know that I made it clear. I want you to know that I'll be close through the darkest. When the sky is getting bright, I'll hold you. I'll never let you go. When you're falling, I'll be closer.
just like that, the suspension is fully installed. I'll show you guys around real quick, and I'll do you a little briefing on how to. I know I'm fucking covered right now. I'm sorry. Jeez, it's the sun. So look. Alright, we got the BC in here, right here. Alright. So you'll drop those 3 top bolts, right, on the top of the engine. You'll disconnect this right here. You will, so this will drop out. Drop that bolt down there that it connects to, and then it should break free. And if it doesn't break free enough, I used a jack to kind of move it around. If that doesn't work, you can drop your sway bar link, which is right there. But on the other, so on the driver's side, I didn't have to do that. It was low enough, but the passenger side I did. And the way sway bar links on this car or something works is really weird, and it likes to strip out. So that took a whole nother day. So that's why I did this in 2 days. So that was kind of annoying, but literally other than that, it's just plug and play, super easy install. And then a tip on the back, I didn't know this. I'll show you guys. So you'll drop the bottom first, this bolt right here, and then you'll drop the tops. But if you're doing true coilovers, you want to do the fucking light. You're gonna want to do toe arms, because if not, it's not gonna work well. So you're gonna want to drop the toe arm first, the toe bucket, and then that's really easy, just a 17 and a 19, and then you break these. And then I'll show you guys something real quick. That's pretty cool that BC offers. I haven't seen any other company do this. If you guys can see this, a little knob right here, right there, and right there. So they give you the adjustable dampening, which is great. But you can't reach it in a G body, or I believe Z's the same, because it's like the same body, because there's this big pillar. So on a 240, it's right there, you can adjust it. It's just you move some shit. On these, you can't. So they give you these extensions, and they just go through that, there's a hole, and then you just route it through there when you're putting the coilover in, and then you can just adjust it now from the outside, so you don't have to angle grinder that off. Basically is the only other way you would be able to do that. For now, I'm probably gonna leave it how it is, and just dial it in how I want, and then I get in alignment, and then we should be good. So hell yeah. We'll adjust it more and dial it in, and maybe get some spacers, and yeah, shit looks good, man. Alright, quick update. We're on the way to the alignment shop. Let's go. Alright, so we made it to the alignment shop. Let's see what it is, boy. Alright, status report. She's looking pretty good. This is what it was before. Not good before. And now it looks like it drives straight, so we can go fucking sideways. Straight to go sideways, boys. So I'm pretty happy about it. Thanks to the guys at R&R, always hooking it up. Respect to Josh and everyone else. Appreciate you. Yeah, she's ready to slide.